So talking about my project, so my project is bank statement analysis, and my mentor is Jeremy Angelwit. So talking about what I have done, so the first thing I've done is literature review of some of the financial research which is related to bank statement analysis, like the research paper named Financial Statement Analysis and Prediction of Financial Distress, and analyzing the impact of loan features on bank loan prediction using random forest algorithm, commercial bank loan risk and prevention, credit risk meets large language models, building a risk indicator from loan description in P2P lending. And the last one that I have referred is machine learning for an enhanced credit risk analysis, a comparative study of loan approval prediction models, integrating the mental health data. So talking about my practical implementation. So the thing I have implementation is, firstly I have defined the dictionary named bank details with mapping of different types of transaction in order to do bank details mapping. And the banks I have considered includes FNB, which is First National Bank, ABSA Bank, Ned Bank, as well as Standard Bank. After it, I've implemented the OCR feature in order to in order to extract the transactions as well as categorizing it and processing it in order to define the eligibility. Apart from it, I have made the rigorous logic for credit and debit as well as processing different types of amounts. Apart from it, I have also implemented cash flow analysis through the implementation of cash flow functions. This is a rough demo of my decision tree model, which is which can be seen in this diagram. So I have particularly two decision trees. The first decision tree is a decision tree which will work if the bank statement have a regular income or salary. And the second one is the decision tree which will come into the action when there is no keyword like salary in the bank statement. Talking about the demo, so I have the demo of my model. Let me show it. So in order to increase the accuracy of the credit risk, yeah, the person is eligible for loan or not, I've developed a front end using machine learning model. So for example, if the person is male and his monthly income is around 1000 zar, and the requested amount will be 10,000 zar, and when I will click the predict button, then the loan is denied. But when the monthly income I will increase by 10,000 and the loan requested amount is like 5,000 and all the debts are cleared. So when I will click on the predict button, then it will open a new tab and it will ask that as you have passed the first eligibility check, kindly submit your bank statement to check your eligibility. So I have added the two layer of eligibility check in order to verify the person more accurately. Apart from it, I have also implemented the OCR function for the bank statements and make a web UI app of it also. So when I will upload my bank statement, this is a rough demo of all the elements that will be extracted from it, like this. And talking about my other implementation, so I have automated the data analysis part. So in order to give a best UI experience to the user, the major component of the bank statement will be parsed in this column, which can also be zoomed in. Like for example, for the First National Bank, I've implemented it. It contains majorly four columns, which includes date, description, amount, and balance. I have also given the feature to search a particular value in order to increase the user experience. For example, if I will search prepaid, so it will directly fetch the particular keyword. Apart from it, I have also given the feature of downloading the Excel file, which can be used in the further tasks, like this. The Excel file can be downloaded. Apart from it, I have also given the key values to the user, such as the average daily expense For example, for the user, the average daily expense is negative, which is around minus 10.50 rand. The total expense is around 325.42 ZAR. The maximum expense that is extracted from the bank statement is around 550 ZAR, and the minimum expense in negative, which is extracted, is around 938.10 ZAR. The total number of transactions that are fetched from the bank statement of the user is 31. And this is the automated data analysis, which shows different value of transactions like the top up payment or airtime, which is also a recharge, service fees, monthly account fees. Apart from it, there's also a circular type of distribution in order to enhance the user experience. I have also provided and implemented the feature of daily expense trend in order to give a flowchart of how the money is going in a particular as compared to a particular day. And apart from it, I have also implemented the dictionary of bank identification, which is used for the bank detection, so that I can implement this feature for different types of banks. For example, the detective bank is FNB. When I will upload another bank, then the detected bank from my dictionary came to be ABSA. When I will upload a bank statement, then it will fetch that the detected bank is Netbank. If I will upload any different bank statement, then also it is capable of identifying that bank. And talking about my automated OCR based decision tree model, so when I will upload my bank statement, then it will print the name of the user as well as his eligibility. For example, it is currently running. Yeah. So the account number, account holder name has been fetched using OCR function, and it is Mr. Bichules Bisele, and the person is eligible for the loan based on my decision tree that I have shown in the PPT. This is all from my side. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Akshat. Very impressive demo, and glad to see you've made so much progress on everything so far. Looking forward to the second half.